Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be how to install an aftermarket Two Brothers slip-on exhaust on a 2016 Spyder F3S from Can-Am. I did an unboxing video on this exhaust system previously. I'll make sure to include the link in the description so you guys can check out what to expect inside the box. So here's the actual exhaust. This is the pipe. Tool came included in the kit. A couple of tension springs to connect these two parts together. I did install one of these before on one of my customers' bikes, so I know exactly how it sounds. That's why I got one of these. So this exhaust is very loud and throaty. I like to tone it down a notch. That's why I got this piece here made by Two Brothers. It's called the P1X. It's metal and it goes inside the end of the muffler. So I have to remove this part here. There are 4 screws. Just remove these, and for that you're gonna need a T20 Torx wrench. So let me do that real quick. I'll show you guys how this thing looks installed, then we move on. So you got one of those rubber rings. It goes right here. Then your P1X, so it goes like this. Then the muffler end goes back in place. You just screw it down. That's it. The P1X is installed. It could not be any easier. That's how it looks. And in case in the future I want to quiet down the exhaust system even more, I can use one of those baffles. You can find them in most auto part stores. So I can fit this inside the pipe. So you just put it inside here, and this will quiet down your pipe quite a bit. So here we have the aftermarket Two Brothers slip-on exhaust. This is the factory from BRP. I'm gonna weigh both. This way you'll know how much weight you're shedding, you're taking off your bike. This is the cat delete pipe. We're gonna also weigh this, and I'm gonna be weighing in the cat after I take it off the bike. Here we have the cat. Before we move on and remove this, let me give you a piece of advice. If this is the first time you're working on the Spyder exhaust, if you have like any jack stands or any kind of lift in your garage, make sure you lift your bike, because that's gonna make your life way easier. So we're gonna use this tool right here to remove these tension springs. There's 3 of them. I already moved the top one, and take the cat off. After you take these springs off, there is a rubber hanger. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is right there. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see this. 10.64. This is the Two Brothers. 4.62. Next we're gonna do the cat delete with the catalyst. This is the actual cat. When you take it off, there's gonna be a rubber over here. We're gonna remove it. We're not gonna be reusing this, so you can keep it to the side. This is not going back on the bike. So let me show you how much weight we reduced on the bike. 15.78, almost 16 pounds. This is the cat delete pipe. 0.12, not even a pound. So there you have it, folks. Let's put the new exhaust together and see how it sounds. Before we connect the pipe to the muffler, included in the kit you have anti-seize lubricant. So make sure you put some of this stuff on the end before you connect it together. Just a thin layer will do the job. You don't have to go crazy on it. So align the hangers. There you go. These 2 hooks right here should go in the existing factory holes right here. This part here, let me show you exactly where it goes. Right there. And you have your springs that go over these hooks right here. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 1 on the top. So let me do this real quick and I'll show you the finished product. This literally took me less than a minute just because of this tool right here. So thank you, Two Brothers. And this is how the exhaust looks. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.